I'm an Armadillion warrior with 4 of the best Armadillo pieces and double bolt procs. I am very strong right now, and I'm hunting all the best in slot items in the game. Best in what? We can see your gloves. Welcome back to the Shattered Relics League.
Grab the wall, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall off. Hella think I wanna smash them all now.
You might think I'm quite efficient, but look at me. I'm here with my kitten chasing rats. Go on, puss. Recipe for disaster completed. I only had to do 2 subquests and I get myself a fat Herblore XP lamp here. 71 on my way to getting Saradomin Brews for the Inferno. And obviously now I can upgrade those gloves. The plan for today is to do some bossing and then end up in the Inferno by the end. So firstly, getting my Salve Amulet because we need to go back to Vorkath at some point and get my Assembler. In this league, there is no Nightmare Zone. Well, there kind of is. You pay for points using coins at a 1-to-1 ratio. So I'm going to pay 800k coins. And that means I can come in here and imbue my Salve Amulet EI. 50 points, harvesting a Snapdragon. Farming is good now. Herb runs are good. I was fucking this yesterday. With all the fragments, Herb is going to go by so quickly. Look at me just spamming the herbs. And any second now, task completed for Dwarf Weeds. We are really out here trying to get those brews for Inferno. 8 plus 73 is brews. No way, I just got a farming pet. I don't even know. I was doing the herbs, bro. Oh! 125 points. This guy's here, like. I did just get that. I did just get incredible luck. I'm pretty sure this is quite rare. Magic potions made, more league points. And here we go, making my Saradomin Brews. Need those for all my PVM activities. Even making an extended antifire is 125 points. How is that so much? I don't really care too much about points right now, but if there's a really easy task, I may as well just do it. 20 Stoner Potions, not really useful in a league with 100% run at all times. I guess you could use them to make the pool, actually. I tell a lie. Okay, so I'm back at Vorkath, and the plan is to try and kill it 15 times without leaving on the way to getting this Assembler. Also, try and not do the special damage one, but I actually hate this task. It's so annoying. And there are so many people online right now that is probably not going to happen. Not going to lie, the accuracy just isn't quite there if I'm praying, but I want to have my Armadillo book on, so I've got 4 Armadillo items. That's my problem right now, because I'd obviously use an anti-dragon shield, and that'll be fine, but okay, I'm not going to make it this run. I don't want to waste those brews. I didn't get many bird's nests. Oh, fuck. I mean, it's not that important that I do this, but it would be kind of nice to get it on the way to 50 KC. Okay, I'm going to try it with a 0 prayer point, so I have a 100% accuracy increase with Unholy Ranger. Means I don't have to worry about prayer, but I don't get my 4 Armadillo items in, so I get half bolt specs, which is annoying because that relic is quite good, and I've built my account around that so far. Although it does seem like I'm hitting pretty much every time right now, which is good news. Special attack pool built because we're about to embark on a special little mission. Yep, we're going back to Kriara. I think I may as well finish off the Armadillo set. If I have full armor plus the Armadillo crossbow, that's my 4 Armadillo items for the double bolt specs from my fragment. The new and improved method, I've got my 4 Armadillo items on, we're getting double bolt specs, and the ACB increases bolt specs as well, 51, and oh my god, look at that. We started it off with 2 huge hits there. I'm also praying melee now to stop this guy from comboing me out. Then I can spec pull and bank for food. It's about 60 kills per hour right now. No, it's a dupe Armadillo chain skit, the second one. I wonder what the bank value is going to look like by the end of this league. I'm going to be PVMing for most of it. So we're going to have a nice collection. Why am I always so lucky on Armadillo items? It's another dupe, but I just can't get away from getting uniques at this boss. I think it's 1 in 42 to hit the armor table with my boosted drop rate. So I've been incredibly lucky getting 4 so far. Shield left half, I can use that to do the d.i.y if I ever decide to do that eventually. But it's a nice one to get because it can be quite rare. An elite task, 125 points for 100 Kriara KC. I've decided I am going to commit and I'm going to go for 250 KC or the armor helm. Whichever happens first, and then we're going to move on. Because this is fast, I'm enjoying it, and I don't know why. What if this gets nerfed or something? I just feel so overpowered doing this. Oh my god, no way, I got it. Let's fucking go. Oh, that's so good. Full Armadillo. I've got 250 points for that. That is really, really nice. I know I'm unmuted, but I knew I was unmuted. I just had to go for it, okay?
No, not again.
Like, I forgot to mute for the KC, you fucking idiot. All right, look at me, Armadale's biggest fanboy. Oh my god, full on best in slot range here. I'm so happy to get that, and I got all items under rate, which is incredibly lucky. Right, let's drain these prayer points and get back to Vorkath. I'm actually bringing regular restores with me because that means I can bring more brews as it's 4-to-1 rather than 3-to-1 ratios, and I don't need any prayers, so... yeah. Oh my god. I look like I'm playing the main game right now. Look at my character. Alright, 15 kill trip. This is the one. How can it not be? Hey, Vorkath head. Everything else was a bit of a distraction. That was the main goal of this mission, and it's done. And the 15 kill trip task? Yeah, well let's not talk about that one. Okay? I wasn't gonna make it. What's up, Ava? Give me your assembler. Vorkath had done. Thanks to Vorkath, I get to do some privileged prayer training. And there is 110 combat, 50 points. If I pray at this altar, I restore 75 prayer points, which is another hard task for 50 points. I found a really easy master task. All you have to do is click the red button below. Double check right now and you might even get a new fragment. I've been too focused on range. It's time to pick up some cave krakens and start working on my magic gear as well. I want to be a full-on tribrid out here. 50 points for killing one cave kraken. They're going to be pretty chill with the double mage relic. Everything is just so fast. Oh my god, I got it on the last kill of the Slayer task. That's perfect, actually. Don't waste any points on skipping. Trident's going to be so good, obviously, for me. I figured I may as well come and knock out Mage Arena 2. That is 25 for doing Claws of Guthix, and we also get another 25 for Flames of Zamalek. The Wildy's actually pretty sketchy, you know, because I can get one hit at any time. Like, what's this guy doing out here? Banks my room pouch because I'm not about to get one banged for that shit. 2 out of 3 for the best in slot capes. I've gone for Saradomin. I think that looks the best with Armadale. What do you think? I think I look pretty damn nice right now. Wait, I didn't even equip my Trident. There's 50 points for equipping it. And actually, did I get points for Assembler? I think she made it when it was on my back. Do we? There we go, 50 points for that as well. Mage and range just means one thing to me, and that thing is it's time to go and do some Zora. Let's quickly unlock this boss here. How much is this one going to cost? 50 points. I'm going to start off trying to do this with absolute unit and a couple of double hit effects. See how it goes. We could always switch it up to like Nice Edge or something. But yeah, hopefully Zora should just kill itself with the recoil. Not a bad first kill. This might even be one of the speed tasks. No Jad phase. And it is. Defeat Zora 50 points. Oh no, I did get some. I got 100 points. Okay, so I got a speed task as well. 130. What? Zora Max is a 41. 41 divided by 2, 20.5. Are you rounded up, you little fucking scammer? Combat fragment. These can be so big from bosses. It could be something I don't have. Come on. Living on a prayer. I have no idea what that is. At level 3, it reduces prayer drain by 60%. That's pretty big for prayer. Nice Edge and Twin Strikes. They're good combos as well. These boss fragments have great set effects. 99 Magician. I imagine I'll get way further than that through PVMing, so that's just passive. Yes! Oh, I've been using this fragment for so long to level it up. Getting that XP. Superior tracking level 3. That's 1 in 30 for superiors. I can start Slayer now. My last kill. Come on, give me a fang right here. Bro, I'm 80 KC. That's twice the drop rate of nothing. That pays back for the Armadale RNG. I'll come back with gear upgrades though. And here we have level 82 prayer, but more importantly, 2,000 total, 125 points. And here we are, it's time. I am so overgeared for this Inferno. I've gone for a mixture of fragments. Obviously, I've got my Armadale fragment in there for increased bolt specs on Zuck. We've got absolute unit on, nice edge. We've got some double tap action going on. I have some really good set effects active right now. So I'm going to try and get the speedrun task, but I'm not on task and I've got an MSB, so I don't know about that. Here we go, the Inferno. Now this is my favorite piece of content in the game. So of course I'm excited to start doing some of this. Hopefully we get this speedrun task on this run. I've got 4 range potions to try and make that happen. This is actually really interesting. I'm staying really low hit points for Nice Edge to work. And we're getting bonus damage as a result of that. But the trade-off is I could die. Obviously, but I'm going to play it safe. We'll be fine. Oh my god, I'm praying range. Why didn't I eat? Why didn't my brew go off? Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, why? I'm playing with Knife's Edge. Well, I still haven't failed the 75-minute task. I have been trying to go quickly here, but no Slayer task in MSB ain't the best combo. But what is a good combo is the bolts. The bolts could save it for me here for the 75 mins. Absolute unit, boys. That wasn't even a chance, and it was just extra DPS. Totally calculated. I've been waiting for this. Let the ruby bolts fly. Whee! 200 to start with. Wait. Oh no, that was a 60 from the double tap. Still pretty damn nice. I'm not gonna lie, the Armadillo set effect might get retired after this, but for this game, oh, another 100. It is very, very nice to have on for sure. Holy shit, I'm actually smoking it. A set hasn't even come out yet. If I can get 2 more hundreds, I can skip the set. Come on, set skip. Nah, I'm not going to make it. Oh, that was close, you know. That would be so good. Yo, I completely forgot. I get 100% bonus accuracy if my prayer drains to 0. I should have been using that this entire time on Holy Ranger. I was too busy, like, praying against the mage and stuff. Okay, now it's 0 prayer. And we should be hitting every single bolt from here. Not a 0, bro. Surely that's an outlier. It has to be. Anomaly. Okay, hits. Okay, I'm hitting every time now. This is really, really good. So I think in the future, I'm just going to let my prayer run out if I'm using ACB because it's not that accurate normally. I'm not even going to bother killing the Ranger. He's just going to kill himself anyway. Well, I could kill Zook first as well. Come on, Ranger, die. Show me the absolute unit powers. And that is the Inferno Cape completed. Budget setup as well for Grandmaster Combat Achievement. And a fragment. Let's go. Please be a good one. That was a very high level monster. Zamorak Insight. Okay, that's cool. The God Wars Dungeon ones are normally very, very good. So happy about that. We've got 10 minutes over the time. I kind of gave up towards the end. And 250 points. Zamorak Insight increases my magic accuracy by 250% when 4 Zami items being worn. That could be very strong at a lot of places where you don't normally use Mage. And also the set effects are really good. Chain Mage and Draken's Touch are both very nice effects. We're up to nearly 20,000 league points and all capes are done.